so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
I know it is still summer, but I am so excited to share the new Bath & Body Works fall candles with you guys. I asked over on my Instagram, make sure to follow me over there if you are not already, if you guys wanted a haul for fall, because they already put out the pumpkin candles at Bath & Body Works. It's crazy, I know. But I ordered some candles online and went shopping for you and have some really good scents I'm excited to share today. So make sure you click that red subscribe button while you watch, and I hope that you enjoy this fall 2019 Bath & Body Works candle, and I've got a lot of other goodies too. It's just a Bath & Body Works haul for fall 2019. Coley, my dog, is like walking around. She keeps shaking, and I think she's just intrigued by all of these smells too. I'm gonna start off with, I think, my second favorite candle. I'll show you my favorite candle in a minute here. The pumpkin apple. I love the packaging, the fact that it's a Merlot color. I decorate with a lot of Merlots in the fall. If you're not subscribed, seriously, you have to, because I'm gonna be doing my fall decor video. I'll do like a clean and decorate with me for fall that, this candle just puts me in the mood for. Like, it is ridiculous. I'm filming this in July. I'm not quite sure when I'll put this up on my channel, but oh my gosh, it just makes me want to already put out my pumpkin decor like I got behind me there. I just put it out for this video. It's not going to stay up. I'm going to do like a true clean and decorate with me, but pumpkin apple, let's see, it is red delicious apple, fall pumpkin, fresh ground cinnamon, clove buds, and essential oils. And I just think the apple and pumpkin, it's that nice like September fall smell. Speaking of September fall smells, there is a candle called PB&J, peanut butter and jelly. That just makes me think of school lunches, back to school. And they actually stack, I got these in the store. I don't know if they have these online. I didn't see them when I was shopping online, but they are little candle toppers, or honestly, I might put these on my fridge as magnets because they're so gosh darn cute for fall. But they can like stick to the top of the candle lids, or they actually can even, like, they had some in the store kind of like that, like on the side of the candles. But this peanut butter and jelly one, I was a little nervous because I read a review online saying that it smelled like man's cologne. I don't think this smells like men's cologne. It says it's fresh strawberry jam, toasted bread, crunchy peanut butter, drizzle of honey, and essential oils. It smells really good. It doesn't, I wouldn't necessarily think peanut butter and jelly, but it kind of smells like baked goods, like fruity baked goods, if that makes sense. I think it's like the toasted bread comes out pretty strong in the notes of this candle. I'm sorry, I've got the huge box on the ground here in front of me for everything I ordered it from, so trying to not damage anything and put it back to the box. Honeycrisp apple. I was clearly feeling the apple scents a bit this year as like a transition into fall, maybe because it's just so early. But this one is golden honeycrisp, apple blossom, fresh sugar cane with essential oils. So honeycrisp apple. Again, I just like the color on this package too. And I'll show you, this one also had a similar color. This one is warm apple pie, but I loved this candle holder. I thought that was so pretty. Let me close up here on it so you can see it really good. But I love that, because I mean, this can definitely be all seasons used to hold candles. But the notes in this one are baked Granny Smith apple, melted brown sugar, flaky homemade crust, and essential oils. I like this one a lot. This one could be a good one to use for Thanksgiving too. It just smells like how you want your home to smell when you're having that Thanksgiving dinner. That is a good one. Okay, this one is so good, and I did get this more as my August scent for my home. This is fresh orange, and the notes are fresh grated orange zest, sparkling citrus, white jasmine, and essential oils. And it just feels like you've walked into the cleanest orange field of your life. It just smells so good. I cannot wait to light this. I'm definitely gonna light this as I clean around my home and need maybe some scent inspiration for filming some more clean with me's on my channel. But I love this one, and I thought the packaging was just really pretty too, with sort of like orange sparkly on it. Clearly I'm feeling the orange right now, you know. Last candle I think I saved the best for last, and I loved this little candle. This was from Bath & Body Works as well. They had some other colored pumpkins, but I sort of like the white pumpkins with the orange flowers. I just thought that looked so much like traditional fall to me. But this is called Cider Lane and it's in an orange holder. The notes on it are warm caramel, Granny Smith apple, dark brown sugar, ground clove with essential oils. This is my favorite. Like, if there is one candle you are going to purchase, you need to get Cider Lane. It smells like Halloween to me. There's something about it that's like maybe even a bit candy corn sort of a smell. I just love it. It just is fall, Halloween, sweet in a candle. Like, it just is so good. So I would tell you, if there's gonna be one this season, Cider Lane. They did not have, last year my favorite was white pumpkin. They did not have it out in the stores yet. So they said they may be rolling out some other scents as we actually enter into fall here. So maybe that one will be out, but I think as of the ones they have out right now, Cider Lane is my #1 candle pick. I'll do soaps next. I did get some pretty fun soaps and just some like cute fall soaps. So I got Ghoul Friend for in Landon and Presley's bathroom. My kiddos share a bathroom, and I think the one I got Landon, sorry, take it out of the box here. Okay, yes. The one I got Landon, there's like a sticker on it. He got Halloween with that little skeleton dog on it. What are the scents? This is Gruesome Grapefruit and Shocking Sun Rays. And Presley's, the Ghoul Friend one, is Dark Strawberries, Ghostly Peony, and Spine Chilling Citrus. I got Sunlight and Apple Trees. I'm not quite sure if I'll put this one either in the bathroom or in our kitchen, but the notes are Crisp Apple, Autumn Leaves, and Creamy Musk. And I think I liked this one for in our kitchen the most. I like citrus soaps in the kitchen. This is Sun Washed Citrus, and I just thought the packaging was gorgeous. It's kind of like, goes with my outfit, right? It's sugared lemons, juicy pineapple, and mandarin are the notes in this soap. And where's the last one? Oh, this one. I got Fresh Strawberry Tart. I think I was just feeling the fruitier scents a little bit more for this fall, or at least out of the things that I picked. But this one is fresh picked strawberries, orange zest, and bergamot. Bergamot? I don't know how to say it. I'll have to look it up. Correct me in the comments, like say phonetically how you should say that word. But I'm gonna smell this one. This one intrigued me the most. It just smells, it's like unique. I don't know if it's just me, I just feel like this is one that's unlike a lot of other Bath & Body Works scents, but it smells so freaking amazing. I'm gonna have to get up and wash my hands now. I got a little bit on my hands. Be right back. Okay, I'm back and I realized I skipped a candle. So I'm going back to the last candle I didn't go over. It's the Blueberry Maple Pancakes. Guys, that one's really good. Oh, they're so good. It just makes me so hungry right now. Now I want like Bob Evans for dinner. Wild blueberries, griddle fresh pancakes, warm maple syrup, and essential oils. This is just a perfect fall morning set. Like, I want to light this when I'm making breakfast for the kids in the kitchen in the morning. It smells so freaking good. Okay, put that down. Candles are officially done, so I'm gonna move on to wallflowers now. I found the cutest plugins ever online. I honestly, their plugins just keep getting better and better. I feel like they become more creative with them. This barn one with the cute little glitter pumpkins and the trees, it lights up. It is just like so stinking cute. I want it to like focus on it so you can really see it. It is just like the cutest fall wallflower plugin I think I've ever seen there. So snatch this puppy up. Also just wanted like a basic fall one, and I like that it had the orange and the maroon leaves. I thought it would just like tie in really well to what my fall decor is. So got that one. And then here are the plugins I got. If you've watched my other Bath & Body Works hauls, which I feel like a lot of you have, like so many of you were commenting because I didn't do one this summer, sorry. I included it in like another video I did on my channel, but I didn't do like just a dedicated haul video. And I feel bad because so many people were upset that I didn't do a summer one. But if you've watched ones in the past, you know I try to always coordinate whether it's the candle and the wallflower or like the soap and the wallflower or something along those lines. So I tried to get ones that I thought would go really nicely with the candle since I got. This first one was called The Perfect Autumn, and it is fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, and crisp apple. So I thought this would go in really nicely since it does have the pumpkin, but the apple to a lot of those apple candles that I ended up getting. I'm sorry, they're like all stuck in this package. I'll pop these out. Didn't break, we're good. Okay, the one I dropped is pumpkin cupcake, and the notes on this one are whipped buttercream, pumpkin spice, and freshly baked cupcake. So got that one for in the kitchen to sort of go with all the baked good scents I feel like I got in the candles. I got the blueberry maple pancakes to coordinate with the candle that I forgot about. What's going on with my brain today? I got warm apple pie also to coordinate with the warm apple pie candle that I got. And then I got pumpkin apple to go with the candle that I got as well, which is red apple, fall pumpkin, and ground cinnamon. So just all very like yummy, homey, and I feel like I was really drawn to the fruity scents. Like now that I'm kind of going over everything here and smelling them, there was something about the fruit scented, like the baked and fruity scented things this year that just got me. Clearly I'm craving the carbs over here today. Body stuff. So I didn't get a ton. I didn't run to the store, so I ordered these online, and I ended up going with the wild blackberry and vanilla. I think I need this as like my transition into some more of the fall scents. I am always usually drawn to vanilla, and I always look forward to every year Christmas. Again, if you've watched these before, Vanilla Bean Noel is like my all-time favorite scent. So I like that this one could be a nice transition to that one. It is blackberry nectar, whipped vanilla, golden amber, and creamy sandalwood. So let me spray this. Oh, that's nice. The blackberry just kind of helps it have like a little heartier and like sweeter of a vanilla, but it just, that's a nice fall vanilla scent. So I'm really happy I ended up going with this one. So wild blackberry and vanilla. I think the issue was they didn't have, let me see, because there's body splash, body cream. They didn't have the body wash. I don't think I ended up getting the body wash, and I don't know why. So I just figured I would pick that up in store when it comes time to use this, because I probably won't start using this one until September, because I still have a lot of, I got the gingham, which I would recommend that scent. I got it for summer. It is so good. And I actually did, because we're going on a vacation, pick up the travel size in the gingham, and I think something happened in my cart. Like somehow I messed things up, because I was supposed to have a body splash and I ended up getting 2 body washes. So I'll have to just go back to the store and hopefully see if they have the body wash and the blackberry vanilla and the spray in this one. But I would recommend the gingham scent. It is blue freesia, white peach, fresh clementine, violet, and clean musk. Good scent. Do you like how I like hung my gingham for Bath & Body Works behind me too? I tried to make this one a very classy background for you today. One last thing, we're at the end of the road here. I found this really cute soap holder that I just couldn't pass up, between the rose gold and the little marble on the bottom. But I got that in this haul as well, that I wanted to share with everyone. But I hope you enjoyed this fall Bath & Body Works haul for 2019. Sorry that I missed summer. I didn't mean to disappoint anyone, but make sure you hit that red subscribe button and check out some of my other videos here before you leave today. I really appreciate it. And if you have any other, I guess we're almost into fall here. We like are transitioning. So if you have any fall video requests, let me know those down in the comments below. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, loves.